I'm the one that messaged you earlier that I was in Legendary Marketer. I was listening to you on getting more one-on-one information on learning how to become an affiliate marketer. I responded, of course, and said, what the heck do you want to know? Well, to be honest, I'm a beginner with marketing online. I just wanted to start making money online, but not knowing all the tools and computer savvy things I need to know. With Legendary Marketer, I do talk to a coach, but it's for a short period of time. They go on to tell me that they basically started with their $30 a month plan. This is with Legendary Marketer, but I had to save up money to start my blueprint, which is $2,500 that I'm still paying on with a payment plan. This is not fun, not making any money, and I feel like I'm just dishing out money. Okay, all right. I don't know why I haven't made a video like this. How much does it really cost to start affiliate marketing? If you're somebody that's really new to affiliate marketing, I'm telling you, you should not be spending thousands of dollars to start learning this stuff. And you know, I'm all about investing in yourself. I'm the kind of person right now, I'm at the point where if I see something that is a lot of money, but I know for a fact is going to really show me something that can 10x my business or something like that, yeah, I'll spend money on it. If you guys are looking to join actual like affiliate marketing programs, be careful what you join, okay? You know, I'm not here to, and I'm not gonna bash Legendary Marketer because I do know the person that is behind it. You know, I have a lot of respect for that person. They know how to build systems for some reason that people wanna throw themselves in and literally spend crazy amounts of money. So I gotta study, okay, what they've done. Don't be fooled by the coaches, like you get assigned a coach or whatever in Legendary Marketer. Those people are simply there to get you to try to upsell in the company to spend literally thousands of dollars. Not saying they don't have valuable content. I mean, you can like do it if you want, but there are much easier ways to learn how to start with this stuff without spending that much freaking money. Some would even say you can literally start making money with affiliate marketing for completely free. And you kind of can. It's going to take a lot more of your time. Like if you were to go to like clickbank.com, become an affiliate, you know, and start promoting some of the products on there, like on the marketplace, you can make money, right? Doing that. I do think there is a balance though when somebody's really starting out based on like what their goal is and how fast they want to get there. I do think there should be a little bit of startup cost, but nowhere near like $500 or $1,000, you know. Other than like investing in an actual like opportunity, there are two tools that you should have when you're doing affiliate marketing. One, an email autoresponder. Two, some sort of program that allows you to build funnels, or if you want to say a website or something like that, but more importantly to me, like being able to create funnels, like sales funnels. Those to me are like the two tools that everybody should start out with. An autoresponder is a tool that allows you to collect a database of email subscribers that you can promote to, which is very important. There's even a free autoresponder called MailChimp. If worst case scenario, you literally have no money for the tools that I personally use, you can go to MailChimp and make a free account and you can start building your email list to be able to make like simple funnels or simple capture pages to your affiliate marketing program. I mean, you can freaking use Wix or like Weebly.com, you know, it's like a little free platform or very cheap platform. You can like start trying to make, you know, little capture pages for things you promote. When I first started making money online with affiliate marketing, I was in an extremely low costing opportunity. And I remember, you know, when I started making my own little capture pages, I was using like webs.com. I was essentially making money for free when it got to a certain point. Like I said, though, I did do that for too long. There was a time where I should have got, you know, a better autoresponder, and I should have got into a sales funnel builder a lot faster than I actually did because I was limited to how much money I was actually making. GetResponse is the autoresponder email tool that I use right now. Literally, they have plans that start at $15 a month. You can also start with any plan on GetResponse with a 30-day free trial. What's actually interesting now that I'm thinking about it is like when people join the affiliate marketing program under me, the no limit system on the pro level, I actually have some extra training that that goes over like what I do with my autoresponder GetResponse, and I say if you were to choose that 30-day free plan to start with, You know, my goal in that training is to get you to at least make money in those 30 days to pay for your autoresponder. So there is that. For the longest time, I was using GetResponse on the Pro plan to not only use it as an autoresponder to build an email list, but I was also using it to make funnels. Like, you got people out here that will overcomplicate it and say you need like the most expensive sales funnel builder to do that. And guys, like I'm telling you, for like years, I was using GetResponse to make little funnels. With that said, I did upgrade to a different little funnel system. I am in ClickFunnels. I understand that that is a little bit more of an expensive tool, but I will tell you, ClickFunnels has been amazing, not only in the training that I've gotten from it, but also, you know, it's really helped me understand a little bit more on creating really, really good sales funnels. The base level of ClickFunnels is $97 a month. They have like a 14-day free trial. And in fact, like I said, in my extra training, when you join the No Limit system, in my extra training, I show you how to start with GetResponse and using sales funnels. Or if you want to invest in ClickFunnels, I show you how to get into ClickFunnels and literally download my sales funnels or be able to start creating your funnels in there. So, I mean, that's literally all I spend. I've got GetResponse, ClickFunnels. I do have this one tool called ClickMagick, which is a really cool program. I haven't done as much digging and using it as much as I probably need to, but I'm on like the yearly plan. I paid like, I don't know, I forgot what it was. It was one something. Or maybe it was 200. I don't remember, but it was like a yearly thing. But I could cancel that and keep making the amount of money I'm making now, which I have GetResponse and ClickFunnels. That's it. The only other thing you could be paying for are like opportunities that you're a part of. And I was talking about Legendary Marketer before because I understand that it's also an opportunity. And there's some programs where they jack up the prices because they don't want everybody learning what they're actually teaching, which I guess I understand that to a certain degree. I also think though, if you're first starting out, you know, you shouldn't be spending thousands of dollars, even if it is for just like an opportunity. You know, if you start with like a $20, $50, $100, maybe a $500 system, you know, that's all you're going to need, you know, as far as to like actually promote and push something out. That's why I'm a fan of the No Limit system, because it doesn't take that much money to actually get a part of the actual, you know, the opportunity side of things, you know. Like I said, you can get these tools for free. You can start with MailChimp or Weebly.com to, you know, not only create your email list, but start making little capture pages and sales funnels. If you have no clue what the heck I'm talking about, then you will have to get into No Limits on the pro level, because I go over what the heck that means. It's okay to spend money in training and things like that. I've been spending a lot more money with people that I know are actually have like training and things like that. But when it comes to like opportunities, you know, and like tools, I know better than to spend like freaking thousands of dollars for it. And I'm all for wanting to make higher ticketed sales when it comes to affiliate marketing, and I will get to that point. But man, whatever system I join that is like has high ticket sales, like they're expensive, they're going to be so out of this world that they're going to be very worth whatever the money somebody has to spend. So that's probably why I haven't joined something that has crazy, you know, you're spending thousands and thousands of dollars to get in, just because I haven't found one yet that I think is really that valuable for other people. It would be good for me because I can make great commissions and I would know how to sell it. But at the end of the day, I do want people to win. Those two tools to really get going, an autoresponder and a sales funnel builder. And if you're like me, you're going to freaking use the same autoresponder to build a sales funnel. And then, you know, the cost of whatever opportunity you're trying to push. If you want to join an opportunity that, like I said, is pretty cheap to join, you can start actually making your first few dollars online or your first $100 a day or something like that. There's a link in my video description below again to check out a direct sales opportunity that I'm involved in. There are 3 levels. That's it. You can choose from a $25, $50, or a $100 level. They're all one-time payments, and that's it. You got something that simple, and you got, you know, those 2 little tools to get a part of, and you're learning solid traffic generation strategies in that opportunity. All you need to actually literally, that's all you need to pay to start making money with affiliate marketing. If you want that extra training on sales funnel building, how in the world I was, you know, making email lists and sales funnels with GetResponse, or how I now integrate ClickFunnels if you can afford it, again, join that pro level on the No Limit system and you'll get all the training information from me as soon as possible.